Hey everyone! Today I'm going to retell The Kissing Booth, a really fun and romantic story written by Beth Reekles. It's a Wattpad story that becomes super popular and even got turned into a Netflix movie. It's about love, friendship, and all the messy things that happen when the two mix together. So yeah, let's dive into the story. The story follows Ellie Evans, a cheerful and honest teenager girl who has always been best friends with Lee Flynn. They've known each other since they were little, and they do almost everything together. They even have a set of friendship rules to make sure nothing ever ruins their bond. One of the most important rules, Elle is never allowed to date Lee's older brother, Noah Flynn. Now, Noah is the total opposite of Lee. He's tall, confident, super attractive, and kind of a bad boy. Everyone at school likes him, but he also has a reputation for being overprotective, especially when it comes to Elle. At first, Elle just thinks of him as her best friend's annoying brother. But deep down, things start to change. During a school fundraiser, Elle and Lee come up with a fun idea, a kissing booth. At first, it's just for laughs, a silly idea to attract attention. But everything changed when Elle ends up kissing Noah at the booth by accident. That one kiss completely changed their relationship. Suddenly, Elle and Noah realize they have feelings for each other, but it's complicated because of the friendship rule. Elle knows that if Lee finds out, he will be hurt and angry. So at first, Elle and Noah try to keep their relationship a secret. They sneak around, meeting in private, trying to hide their feelings from everyone. Of course, secrets don't last forever. When Lee finally discovers the truth, he feels betrayed, not just because of the rule, but because Il didn't trust him enough to be honest. The story then shows how Il struggles to balance love and friendship, and how sometimes doing what feels right can also hurt the people you care about. In the end, Il learns a lot about love, honesty, and growing up. Even though things don't go perfectly, she realized that love isn't about breaking rules. It's about understanding, forgiveness, and being true to yourself. Now, my opinion, I think The Kissing Booth is such a relatable and entertaining story. It perfectly captures the ups and downs of being a teenager, the excitement of first love, the fear of losing a best friend, and the confusion of figuring out what you really want. Elle is a fun, brave character who isn't afraid to be herself, and I really like how she stays honest and real even when things get hard. What makes the kissing booth interesting for me is how it makes romance and friendship in a way that feels real. It's not just a love story, it's also about loyalty and growing up. The chemistry between Ale and Noah is strong, but at the same time, the friendship between Ale and Lee gives the story heart. There's drama, humor, and a lot of emotions, but it never feels too heavy. It's the kind of story that makes you smile, blush, and sometimes even scream at the screen. I also think the setting, the high school life, the parties, the kissing booth even, makes everything feel lively and fun. It's a reminder of how wild and unpredictable teenage life can be, and how sometimes the biggest lessons come from the craziest experience. When I read the story, I felt a mix of emotion. At first, I laughed a lot because of Elle's fun personality and awkward situation. Then I felt nervous and excited when she and Noah started falling for each other. And when the secret came out, I actually felt sad for Lee because it showed how complicated friendships can become when love gets involved. But overall, the kissing booth left me feeling warm and happy. It reminded me that growing up means making mistakes, but also learning from them and forgiving yourself. It's a story about love, loyalty, and courage, and how sometimes breaking a few rules might just lead you to something beautiful. So yeah, the kissing booth isn't just about kissing, it's about friendship, trust, and the messy but magical journey of finding yourself. That's what makes it such a fun and meaningful story for me. That's it. Thank you for listening.